It's difficult to predict exactly what the top 10 methods to make money online will be in 2023, as the online landscape and opportunities for earning income online can change rapidly. However, here are some potential options that may be worth considering: selling products or services through an e-commerce platform such as Etsy or Amazon. Providing freelance services such as writing, design, or development through websites like Upwork or Fiverr. Creating and monetizing a blog or YouTube channel through advertising, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing. Teaching or tutoring online through platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Renting out a room or property on Airbnb. Participating in paid online surveys or focus groups. Monetizing a social media account through sponsored posts or influencer marketing. Selling digital products such as ebooks or courses through your own website or a platform like Gumroad. Providing consulting or coaching services through phone or video calls. Participating in affiliate marketing by promoting products or services on your website or social media account and earning a commission for each sale. It's important to keep in mind that many of these options may require a significant investment of time and effort to be successful, and it may take some trial and error to find the right fit for you. Sell physical or digital products on your own website using a platform like Shopify. Offer virtual assistant services to help businesses with tasks like scheduling, email management, and data entry. Write and sell an ebook or course on a topic you are knowledgeable about. Offer transcription or translation services to individuals or businesses. Sell your photos or videos through stock photo websites like Shutterstock or iStock. Provide web design or development services to businesses or individuals. Create and sell printables or other digital products through Etsy or your own website.